In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use margin in Webull. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, understanding how to effectively use margin can be a powerful tool in your investment strategy. We're going to take you through the process step by step so you can confidently navigate the margin interface and maximize your trading potential. First, let's get started by opening up your Webull app or heading over to the Webull website. This is where you'll access all of your trading options, including margin trading. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll notice a menu bar with several options available. The one you're interested in is labeled Trading and Investing. Go ahead and move your cursor to hover over this section. This will reveal a drop-down menu with more options. In this drop-down, you're going to see a variety of trading tools and resources. Look for the option that says Margin and click on it. This will take you to the margin trading page, where you can access all the tools you need to get started. If you're new to margin trading, this is where you can learn the ins and outs of leveraging your investments. Once the margin page loads, you'll see an overview of what margin trading entails, including any risks and benefits associated with it. This is also where you'll find the Get Started button. By clicking Get Started, you will begin the process of setting up margin trading on your account. It's important to note that margin trading involves borrowing money from your broker to purchase securities, which can amplify both your potential gains and losses. This is why it's critical to fully understand how margin works and to use it responsibly. After clicking Get Started, you may be prompted to answer a few questions or agree to terms and conditions outlining the responsibilities and risks associated with margin trading. Be sure to read these carefully, as they are crucial to ensuring you're making informed decisions. Once you've completed this step, your account will be enabled for margin trading, allowing you to take positions that exceed your account balance by borrowing funds. And there you have it. You've successfully set up margin trading in Webull. Remember, while using margin can increase your purchasing power, it also increases your exposure to risk. Always trade responsibly and consider your financial situation and risk tolerance before making any trading decisions. Thank you for watching and happy trading.